and 66 different models of general aviation. Time he has entertained millions of spectators throughout North America. Ladies and gentlemen, watch right here as he'll demonstrate the show set. Performing in a P-51 D Mustang, a Harvard Mark IV, a 450 Stearman, and of course, the ever popular that you have in front of you today, the Aerobatic Bonanza. As Jim climbs high and to the right to demonstrate the hammerhead with this Aerobatic Bonanza, he's happiest when he's flying and is a true advocate for general aviation. He believes that general aviation is one of the greatest freedoms that we enjoy in America, and that controlling an aircraft through an aerobatic sequence with precision and energy management, as he's doing here today, is the pinnacle of his aviation career. Watch right there, ladies and gentlemen, as he demonstrates that energy management, positive G on that aircraft all the way through the barrel roll as he makes his turnaround here. He will bring the aircraft back from your left to your right. Watch carefully as he demonstrates the capabilities of this Aerobatic Bonanza with the 8-point roll. He's heavily involved in the air show industry and served for 6 years on the board of directors of the International Council of Air Shows, serving 2 years as its chairman. He currently serves on the ACE committee as the chairman and as an aerobatic competency examiner. He also mentors new aerobatic pilots. He's proud to have received the highest honor in the air show industry. That's the ICAS. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, this is Gentleman Jim Peitz. Watch as Jim turns around high into your left. As you're watching him perform for you today, keep in mind this is not your ordinary Bonanza. This is a very rare 1986 F-33C that is built and certified for aerobatics. The Beechcraft Bonanza has been in continuous production longer than any other aircraft in history. 17,000 built. Of those, 17,000, only 179 were certified for aerobatics. As a matter of fact, the aircraft you see in front of you, serial number Aerobatic Bonanza ever built. The Jim's Bonanza is powered by a stock out of the crate 300 horsepower Continental IO550, turning a Hartzell 3-blade Super Scimitar propeller. It weighs almost 3,000 pounds and is certified to +6 and -3 times for the crash. Ladies and gentlemen, as you see Jim high into the left with the hammerhead, watch as he brings it back to show center. Let's see what he does next. Amazingly, this aircraft is not equipped with an inverted fuel oil system. To make this performance possible, Jim has become a master of energy management and is proud to list the legendary R.A. Bob Hoover. Gentleman Jim Peitz, stand up, get your cameras out. Smoke is on from the right. This will be your best photo opportunity of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, direct from here, South Dakota, this is Gentleman Jim Peitz and the Aerobatic Bonanza. As Jim circles around, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to watch closely as he opens up the land and puts the gear out while inverted. So, Danny, I'm not sure, is that the gear going up or is the gear down, or I don't know. It's out for sure, one way or the other. But Jim is so honored to be here, ladies and gentlemen. He's got the gear down as he comes around. We want to thank some of his sponsors that have helped him get here. Parts and Propeller, Believer and Aircraft Propeller Systems, Sirius XM, from Wheels to Touchdown, Wheeling Aerospace, Phillips 66, and Touchdown Aviation. And now, Jim.
We're very okay. Would you like some pretzels?
As the stars kick off, I'd like to introduce the team to you. They are our great friends from Canada. They're the Northern Stars Aero team. All three members from